Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Friday evening, quarter of 10, just before our 10 o'clock newscast. I want to give you one more quick weather update. Snow on the way, but also some sleet and some rain as well. Providence, as of 9:45, looking good, but we're getting reports now in eastern Connecticut, just over the border. Some light snow and sleet has already started. So let's take a look at the winter weather advisory for the areas in purple. Quite simply, this is the better chance of seeing some wet snow and sleet. But even here, we're going to see a change over to rain. So while we'll see some small accumulations here and some slippery travel, it does go over to rain overnight. And I'll show you that in more detail in just a second. The concern for Saturday is not so much precipitation. We just have light rain and snow showers Saturday, but rather strong wind, mainly south shore. There's a wind advisory, east to northeast winds gusting 40 to 50 down in here. It's from Westerly, Groton, New London, Newport, Little Compton, Horse Neck, New Bedford, Cape Cod. It's a high wind warning, gusts here up to 60 miles per hour. Again, that's Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon. There's a coastal flood advisory to Saturday morning at the time of high tide. However, this is minor. So fortunately, nothing more than maybe some minor splash over at the time of high tide. High tide combined with these strong gusty east winds in the morning. So satellite and radar composite shows the precipitation. The blue is just starting to work into Connecticut. This is all rain down in here. Look at the mild. Look at Phillies at 44. So this mild air will head our way overnight, and while we'll see eventually a change over to rain. So storm center is spinning right up in here, and out ahead of it, the precipitation is working in. Actually, here's a more detailed look at it. So this will continue overnight, and then off and on light rain showers anticipated for Saturday. When we take this into the future, and here we go, and you see this moisture coming through later this evening, overnight. Here we got tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. It's in the form of mainly rain and green, 37 degrees. The snow is up north of the Mass Pike, northern New England. That's denoted in blue. So this is Saturday morning, 7 a.m. And then during the afternoon, it cools back down. We'll get into some light rain and light snow showers. By Saturday evening, Saturday night, things are clearing out. In fact, let me bring it in even closer. And here we are at 11 o'clock. This darker blue is actually some steady, wet snow. And then we jump ahead to certainly overnight and towards daybreak. Notice how you don't see any blue, but rather green, which indicates that this is all rain and above freezing temperatures. So whatever accumulations we get of snow in the northern suburbs, and it won't be much, it'll more than likely get washed away. This is noontime on Saturday, 12 noon. It's a combination of some wet snow, light snow showers, northern suburbs, rain showers to the south. The biggest story will be some strong gusty wind. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, some lingering snow showers, southeastern Mass. And then here we are clearing out Saturday evening, Saturday night. For several hours overnight tonight, we're going to get into some sleet, these little pellets of ice. We go from wet snow to sleet, this kind of precipitation, small ice pellets that kind of bounce off the ground. Certainly causes travel to be slick. And then even this will change over to rain. So the snow accumulations that we're looking at as follows: little to nothing on the south shore, about a coating to an inch of slush pretty much along the, along the I-95 corridor. Western Kent County, north and west of Providence, especially north and west of 295, 1 to 3 inches of wet, slushy snow. And even here, that's anticipated to wash away. So here we are Saturday morning, rain and wind. Temperatures in the upper 30s, so above freezing. A strong wind on the south shore. And then during the afternoon, it does cool down, so it's kind of just a light mix of light rain and light snow showers, kind of nuisance precipitation. Temperatures in the upper 30s, still quite windy along the south shore, then clearing out by Saturday evening, Saturday night, and it sets up for a much better Sunday.